In this video, I will show you how to find out if you are blocked on someone's channel in their live shows. Hello, here's Johnny, also known as Cajun Roots Reseller LLC, where I do the shopping for you. I go thrifting, garage sales, estate sales, and anything I can find on clearance to resell on eBay, Mercari, Etsy, Posh. Even I have two antique booths where I do the shopping for you. Will I ever stop thrifting or garage sales? Who? Not me. And if this is your first time coming over my channel and tripping over my channel, I want to thank you so much for finding it, and hopefully you get to learn a lot, and hope I can provide you with a lot of great information. And also, if you are returning, thank you so much for your continuing support to the channel. But what I'm going to ask you is free. Right below the video, that word subscribe, please hit and see if you are subscribed. Right next to the notifications, hit all so you don't miss out. But also hit me that thumbs up. That does help the channel. But most importantly, leave me those comments, because I do answer each and every comment.
Okay, Johnny, I have a question.
Okay.
I got a email from one of our peeps, a regular.
Okay.
And her, if he is on his phone, he can comment. If he goes to his computer, he can see the chat, but he can't make any comments.
Because that means, well, he should be able to make a comment on his computer.
She wanted me to check to see if somebody blocked him, but I'm the only one that would be able to.
No, you can. If you have mods, they can block them.
Okay.
But usually, if you block them, say for example, Jane Doe's in your chat. She's got a wrench, and then that person comes in and they don't have a wrench yet because they may not have filled out the form. And then Jane Doe goes and she's blue, but then turns around and blocks that person. I thought if they blocked him, they'd be blocked on them, not your channel. So I don't know how that works if they are blocked, unless he's logged in or she is logged in on a different channel on the computer. Because most of us have multiple channels, but you have to have a different email to associate it with that YouTube channel. And that could be possible as well. Can one be logged into the chat two different devices at the same time? Yes. Yes, you can.
Yes.
Make sure he signed in the correct account. Exactly. But even if they were in a different account, they should be able to make a comment, unless that channel is blocked if they're in a different account. Because anytime you do, you have to, but maybe that's a good point. I was just going to say that. Mia just put it in the chat. They may need to restart their device and or computer, restart it to reset it. That would be the recommendation right here. And I saw when she put it in there.
Where do you go in YouTube to find who you blocked and who?
Not a problem. What you're going to do is go to your main page.
All right.
Go to customize channel. You got to go in that click on that one.
Customize channel.
Yes.
Okay.
Now right here, all the way at the bottom, settings.
Yeah.
When you get to settings, right here where it says you got channel, default, permission, community.
Yep.
Click community. Then you have you got manage your moderations. These are your mods that have the highest managing mods.
Okay.
Then you have your standard mods. These are anybody who you have that's blue. Then if you go right here, it says hide users. That's where you would make sure to see. And if they are, you can actually go to that name and then hit the X and it'll unmark them. Now you see how many times I got Samantha Dunnigan in here? 1, 2, 3. She's got so many different channels that I got every one that she has. 4. This girl here, 5. Every time she comes in, 6. I mean, it's amazing how many times, 7, 8. And I had to block my own brother, which is not his channel. But yeah, but that's why you would check and see if they are, and then you can unblock them.
Okay.
By hitting that X, if they're in this block that says blocked users.
And they're not in there, so okay.
Hidden users, if it be where it's at, if they are. That's it. That's how you find it.
Okay.
This is just another thing I had I thought of after the show had ended and this topic had came up in reference to know if you're blocked on a channel. One of the things we had talked about in the show is about how to go directly to your YouTube channel, and I showed in the video previously how you saw that I was able to bring you to and see if someone's blocked or to unblock somebody. But if that's not the case and you're in someone's chat and you're not being seen in a chat, this could be something that I forgot to talk about. Again, during a live, a lot of things get missed. So I'm going to do this video portionally to show you how to find out if you are blocked, to find out if you are blocked on someone's channel. But one of the things is, automatically when you go to someone's channel and somebody's live, when you go into a live, the first thing it does, and I'm going to bring you to a previous video, where if I go to that video and I log in, whether it's live yet or it has already been done, what's going to happen is once you get into a show of a chat, it automatically defers you to top chat reply. Now, if you're in that top chat reply and you're typing and not realizing it, and you don't go to this little arrow down and change to live chat, a lot of times you can be typing and you will not be seen on any comments, maybe sporadically, but you will not see all the comments you make, especially if you're in an auction style YouTube channel, YouTube Live, that's an auction, and you're in this top chat, you will not be seen with your bids if you're bidding, or if you're making a comment in general with a topic that's being talked about on a show. Make sure you automatically, again, when you go to any live, it automatically gets you in top chat. So please make sure that you are in the arrow down. Check and see if you're in live chat. And you can do the same thing on your phone. It's right below the video, actually, if you're on your phone. And, of course, it's on the side if you are on your computer. And on a tablet, sometimes it goes across the actual live screen. But you want to make sure you're in live chat, because if you're making comments in the top chat, your video comments will not, probably 99.9% of the time, will not be seen in chats. But if you're not 100% sure and you're not in top chat, you are typing in live chat, and you want to check and see if you have been comments are blocked. One of the things you want to do is go to a video of that channel. And as you see right here, I did just make a comment, and I thought I was recording, and I wasn't. So this is kind of a new thing that I'm doing here on the new Streamyard that I'm trying. This is not my first time I do this, but this has been done in a while, so rookie mistake. So anywho, you want to make a comment. And as you see, I said, thank you for your support. Now, what you're going to do is, in another tab, do not sign in. Do not go into your tab. And you're going to go into Incognito. So what you're going to do is, in the top of the video, if I can get to that one correctly. All right, what am I having here? Let's see, minimize. All right, here we go. What you're going to do is, when you go to the video, right here on the side of the 3 dots, and make sure do not sign in when you do this. It'll open you another page, and when that happens, you're going to come to this. Now, I am at that same video. I made the comment. Now, if you are blocked and you do this incognito, right here, you would not see your comment because you're not signed in on your account. So as someone being not signed in, just anyone going to the channel, you can see if you are blocked by your channel comment right here on that video. You won't see it. It's called ghosting. But if you are not blocked and you see your comment, that means that you may be accidentally typing in top chat, not live chat. So I hope that helps. What I'm going to ask you is free. Right below the video, that word subscribe, please hit and see if you are subscribed. Right next to the notifications, hit all so you don't miss out. But also hit me that thumbs up. That does help the channel. But most importantly, leave me those comments, because I do answer each and every comment.